Hi fellas, David here. Bit different tonight. This is the unboxing of the 2018-19 season ticket package you get with your new season card. So we'll open it up and see what's in there. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and we'll back into this. I've actually covered my address up because I'm always putting either mine or somebody else's address up. So yeah, there's the blue tin you get. So just get like that. So it's Citizens 1894 season card, and this next season can't be anything like it was in the unbelievable 100 points, 19 points gap. Ridiculous. So let's open it up. There you go, picture, champions, that's the card. Premier League title, Caribou, or the old League Cup as they say. So let's get into this. Put it there. Now some blue confetti, that's for when it says, at our first home match, bring your scarf, throw the confetti in the air when the champions walk out. So it'll do that, so it should be quite a nice opening number that. Okay, then you get a little booklet there, I'll manage of Manchester City. Right through to the current one, going back as far, so let's see what the first one is. Lawrence Furness, never even heard of him, so that's quite a nice little read that. Managed from 1889 to 93. So yeah, so nice bedtime reading there. Little bit of information on the Etihad Stadium. Supporter information and 10% voucher, so yeah, all comes in handy, doesn't it? So yeah, that's that. Won't be too long now. So little wallet there for your new season card, quite a nice little touch. Get your credit card in there if you've got one. So yeah, and last but not least, the scarf. So we'll open this, shall we? 2018-19, as I said, that season just gone, 2018, ridiculous. So, try and get them without can't your teeth, can you? So this is a live, well it's not live, but it's the unboxing of the new scarf there, for the new year. So it says season 2018-2019, so not sure with this whether we'll be putting this on in the first match, but later in the season, yeah, we'll enjoy that. So thanks for watching, fellas. Please take time to subscribe if you haven't done already. Like this video, comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. So thanks for watching. Catch you later.